What do you wear to school to teach in?
I usually wear either a dress, a skirt and a collared shirt, or I have nicer capris that I
usually wear a polo shirt, black pants, and gym shoes just because it's really hard to walk around in.
I wear usually khakis, sandals, and a polo, but most of the other teachers wear skinny jeans and spaghetti straps and high heels.
I just kind of follow what my director and the other teacher do, which is jeans or nice pants or a skirt. And
basically,
nice
anything is fine as long as it's not like a regular plain t-shirt.
So I usually wear a polo shirt and jeans and flats. The flats after a while just kind of wore down because I did so much walking around. But yeah, you can never go wrong with the polo ones.
No spaghetti straps, no shorts, and no spandex. No leggings.
Dress code is fairly casual. Usually I wear khakis and a nice collared shirt, but it's okay for guys to wear jeans. I'm sure it'd be okay for girls to wear jeans if they wanted to, and some kind of a nice shirt.
Dress code is pretty lax. Every day I wear a polo and either jeans or khakis or dark pants, and I can usually wear tennis shoes too, so it's not a big deal.
At my school there is a director and myself. I wear khakis and a polo shirt. The director, she wears usually slacks and a nice shirt.